If you've ever accidentally deleted your Gmail account, or you're trying to get back into an account you thought was gone for good, this video will walk you through the recovery process step by step. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a deleted Gmail account in 2026 using Google's official recovery page. This is the safest and most direct method, and it works best when you follow the prompts carefully and use the recovery information linked to your account. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the place where you'll start the process of getting your Gmail account back. Once the page loads, you'll see a field asking for the email or phone number associated with the account. Type in the deleted Gmail address you want to recover, then click Next. Make sure you enter it exactly as it was before, because even a small typo can send you in the wrong direction. After that, Google will begin checking whether the account can be recovered. Depending on your account status, you may see a few different verification steps. This is completely normal, because Google wants to make sure it's really you. Follow the recovery prompts on the screen carefully. You may be asked to verify using your recovery phone number, your recovery email address, or a trusted device that has previously signed into the account. If you have access to any of these recovery methods, choose the one that's easiest for you and complete the verification step. Google may send a code to your phone or recovery email, or it may ask you to approve the sign-in from a device you already use. Enter the code if you receive one, or confirm the prompt if you see it on your trusted device. If Google asks additional security questions, answer them as accurately as possible. Try to use a device, browser, and location you've signed in from before, because that can improve your chances of recovery. Once your identity is verified, Google may prompt you to create a new password. If that happens, choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Make it long, unique, and easy for you to remember, but hard for anyone else to guess. After setting the new password, save it securely so you don't get locked out again later. When the recovery process is complete, go ahead and sign back into the recovered Gmail account using the new password. If you're signed in on a phone, tablet, or browser, make sure the account is working properly and that you can access your inbox, contacts, and any connected Google services. If everything looks good, your recovery is finished. One important thing to remember is that if the account was deleted a long time ago, Google may no longer be able to restore it. So the sooner you start the recovery process, the better your chances. Also, if you're using a recovery email or phone number, make sure you still have access to it before you begin. That can make the entire process much faster and smoother, and that's how you recover a deleted Gmail account in 2026. If this video saved you time or helped you get back into your account, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.